Nah, I don't know, it's like, hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Jillian, and on this channel I do everything beauty, travel and lifestyle on a budget. You know your girl is a budget queen. I'm not about to go spend some coins just to look good for the gram or for the tube. I'm not about that life. So if you have not already done this, I'm telling you to go do it now. So be sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, okay? Show some love, comment, because we can interact, okay? That's the beauty of social media. But as once again, I talk a lot. So let's get right into today's video. Today I am doing a Boxycharm try on haul for you guys. Yes, I skipped last month, so I'm gonna be doing a 2-in-1. So what did you say? Let's say it again. A 2-in-1 try on haul for you guys. Before I even start on this Boxycharm of this month, the August box, I did start filming it. I'm going to put the video here. I started filming it, but I did not like the palette that was inside this Boxycharm. Like, I didn't like it at first. It's because it's super pigmented, don't get me wrong, but it's not my type of palette. It's too bright for my liking. The colors don't blend in nicely, and yeah, I just don't like it. So as you can see on this little video, I just stopped filming that because I was not feeling the palette. And then today I was grazing through social media and I saw that Laura Lee had an apology video, and I was like, oh, what's wrong, Laura Lee? Like, you have an apology video? I've been living under a rock. So it ends up, she tweeted something about in 2012, almost like 6 years ago, and that came to bite her. So do not get me wrong. I'm this person. I'm like, what you did in your past doesn't determine you now. Because, I mean, we were all young. We all did things in our past that we're like, oh my gosh. So, like, that's okay. Like, for me, that's okay. I couldn't care less what she did in her past. But what I did care about is the pure fact that she had to be asked to apologize. I feel like if she was really sorry, like if Laura Lee was very sorry, she would have posted an apology without being asked to apologize. So yeah, that's just my 2 cents on this. And the reason why I'm bringing up Laura Lee is because that palette that I did not like was a Laura Lee palette. So I'm gonna stop yapping so we can get right into this tutorial. That's my 2 cents for today. Once again, I will be doing a July and August try and haul, a 2-in-1. I will not say which months I received the Boxycharm, like which months I received it, but what I will do is I'll just post it in the description box, and I will write it here just saying, like, I'll say July or August so that you guys know. So first things first, I'm gonna go in with Wonder Beauty eye patches. Gold, they are gold like that. I'm leaving my eye patches on for 15 minutes, but while I have my eye patches on, I'm going to go in with the Cello eyebrow cream, and this cream, it's like a dark brown. I don't know if you can see inside. It's a dark brown, and I hope it works on my eyebrows because I do use dark brown on my eyebrows because my eyebrows are black. So I don't like to go too dark on my eyebrows. truth be told, I don't know how I feel about it. I think it's nice, but it kind of has like a grayish color to it after putting it on. So, but anyway, I started doing it, so I'm gonna do the other brow and I'll be back. Honest opinion, the eyebrow cream is nice and handy if you're traveling. I just don't like the fact that it gives like an offish gray. Like, it's supposed to be like dark brown, but it gives me an offish gray. I haven't cleaned out my eyebrows. I'll do that when I put on my foundation right now. So I will be doing my eyes, but I won't be using this Laura Lee palette. I will show it to you guys. It's super pigmented. I don't like the colors. The colors are very bright. I'm not a person who wears bright colors, so I'm not just going to use it. And also, because of what she did, so I'm not going to put that on my eyes. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a very natural look on my eye. And then, yeah, just a very natural look on my eye. Okay. And then I'm going to go in with this Tarte Ready Set Radiant Setting Spray. I received this Beauty Bang Bang eyeliner cream. So I'm going to use this to go in to do a quick eyeliner. I will not be going extravagant with my eyeliner because my makeup is not extravagant and I will not be putting lashes on. Oh, okay. Oh, this is like, oh my goodness. Look, guys, it is so creamy. Oh, it looks like it'll apply very easily. If you look very closely and in detail, you can see that I did do the eyeliner, but it is not as potent, like not as strong as when I use a black eyeliner. And because, and I personally feel like the reason for this is because it is blending in with my skin. So maybe I'm not getting that finish that I'm looking for, like not working for me. But it is very creamy. If they have it in a different color, I will most definitely purchase it because I like the creaminess of it and the way it's so easy to apply. Then I'm going in with this Wonder Beauty mascara for them lashes to look poppin'. I always like doing two coats of mascara because my lashes are not that long, so I feel like the more thicker they are, like the more potent it is. I am just rubbing the excess from those eye patches under my eye, like all over, and then I'm just gonna let it air dry. Now I'm going in with this No More Baggage from Dr. Brandt. I love Dr. Brandt's products, so I can't really diss this until I try it. Going in with this Ready Set Radiant Spray again. I'm going to use this as my primer too. This Dr. Brandt No Baggage cream, it's very tacky when it dries up, but I'm sure it does the work. So I'm gonna go in with the spray. I'm back. I did my foundation and my powder. Right now I'm going to use this Note blush. I have used it before and I love it. It's doing the most. It reminds me, oh, there's a lot of residue. So there's a lot of fallout, guys. Ugh. But in here, cheeks gotta be red, gotta fake it until you make it. Now for my lips, we're going in with this Smashbox Be Legendary Liquid Metal. I don't like Smashbox products. I've tried them, returned them. They're just not for me. It is what it is. Oh my goodness. Can a lipstick be so hard to take out? Really? Oh, table. So this is my final look. I actually like it. I feel like the lipstick actually seals the deal. I was very skeptical about it, not to be honest. I was really skeptical about it, but it's sealing the deal. Products that I did not use are Bigger Cosmetics primer. I've used this before. I do not like it. It's super runny. I don't like primers like that. I like something matte, something that's going to work for me. L'Oreal palette. Not going to explain myself. And then the cuticle treatment, or the treatment for my nails, cuticle treatment. The reason why I haven't used this is because I'm going to do my nails, and then I'll show you guys how I use it my way. So be sure to check out my Instagram for updates on my nails and the treatment. Overall, I give this box a 7 out of 10. And yeah, the reason being is the eyebrow cream is not for me. It gives like a grayish feel. The L'Oreal palette, and also the primer from Bigger Cosmetics. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And you, yes, you over there, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time, bye.